Hey, fellow content creators! Ever wondered what it takes to make your own awesome videos on YouTube that keep viewers hooked from start to finish? Well, you're in for a treat, because today I'm going to share some game-changing tips that will take your content to the next level. Now, the key to a killer YouTube video is all about having a solid structure. First off, you need to grab your viewers' attention right away. Imagine this: a scroll-stopping thumbnail and a title that piques curiosity. Trust me, it's the secret sauce to getting those clicks. So, we'll dive into crafting titles that leave your audience intrigued and eager to watch. Once you've got them in, it's time to deliver the goods. I'll walk you through creating engaging content that's not just informative but also entertaining. We're talking about visuals, storytelling, and that special ingredient that makes your videos stand out from the rest. But hold on, we're not done yet. In the next segment, we'll explore the art of seamless transitions. Keeping your audience engaged is all about maintaining a smooth flow. Learn the tricks to transition like a pro, ensuring your viewers stay glued to the screen without missing a beat. Now, here's the thing. If you bail out early, you're missing out on the golden nuggets coming up. I've got a question for you. Ever struggled with keeping your audience captivated? Stay tuned, because in the next video, I'm revealing the answer that could transform your content creation game. Remember, your journey to becoming a YouTube sensation starts here. Hit that subscribe button and let's dive into the world of creating content that keeps your viewers coming back for more. See you in the next one.